thinking, got me thinking. How can I come up and get myself a ranking?
Hey, it's the Lincoln Addict here with the 1967 Lincoln Continental Convertible. Full restoration. As you can tell, it was taken down to bare metal. This car is perfect for the summertime. Of course, suicide doors. The top works flawlessly. Nice, wide white wall tires, less than 500 miles. The car is located in Abu Dhabi. Beautiful red interior, and all the additional tech, including Bluetooth receiver, are hidden in the car. The MEL 462 was completely rebuilt and looks fantastic in the car. Valve covers and air cleaners painted factory forward blue. The car is airbagged with an airlift 3H system, Viair compressors, 2 tanks, and, of course, professional air suspension underneath. Hit us up in email or direct message for information. Lincoln Continental Broker at gmail.com.